Here's a QVT for you. I know it's been a while, but I have a pattern here that's been ripped terribly. And I don't want to use Scotch tape because when I get ready to pull this out again and I press it and I can't see the Scotch tape, you know what happens when the iron hits it. It shrivels up and it's no good. So in order to fix my little holes here, I'm going to use some old strips of interfacing. Interfacing is also good to use if you have a pattern that you use a lot and you want it to stay nice. So I'm putting the interfacing on the rips, and I'm not applying any steam because this is paper. I'm going to go ahead and take a strip, and this is just some old strips that I found in my interface box that I'm using. They were too small to do anything else with, so I'm just mending my pattern with them. And then also too, when I get ready to store this pattern, I can just fold it up and it's not going to be a problem. All right. Guess what? All done. Hope this helps.